All right, so Paige is putting together the Young electric bike today, and it looks pretty nice. It has a double kickstand, really fat tires, but they're road tires instead of like mountain bike tires. The color's really pretty. What are your thoughts so far?
I think it's gonna be pretty fun.
You think it's gonna be pretty fun? So this is the battery right here. It should pop out nicely. Sometimes when you have one that you have to catch underneath, if you have stability issues, that can be not so easy. So this is nice that it pops out the top. Right. Always remember that you charge batteries in warmer than freezing, but also not super hot temperatures. And you don't want to be going through a lot of water with the bike. It's not really meant to get wet. It'll destroy some of the electrical components. And also remember that it's a bike. It has gears. And so when you're practicing, make sure to take those gears into account. It is a folding bike, so the handlebars come down and then it folds in on itself, so it makes it so you can put it in the back of a vehicle as long as you don't mind the mess. There is some mess moving a bike in and out of a car, but it means you don't have to have it riding externally on a bike rack. These are very heavy bikes, and so sometimes those external bike racks aren't strong enough to hold a bike like this.
Oh, it's because the pedal, she has the pedal against the brake. That's why.
Fun.
That's why that's doing that. Okay. All right, so I would lift up the tires and set the kickstand down, and then we'll teeter it on the kickstand. Can you do that? Something like that, huh? Interesting. Well done. You're gonna keep it from rolling off the end, right? Nice. Alright, and then go ahead and pop the handlebars up.
Throttle. Here's your manual gears. Always use your manual gears. And then these are your controls. So there's your power assist.
So it can go all the way up to 5. And then there's your average speed. Max is 20. So it looks like you have 3 modes.
And this is your throttle, or
Yeah.
this? Okay.
That's your throttle.
So your throttle is really fast. Is the
Yeah.
pedal assist really strong?
Very strong. Let's see.
I would say that it's like a scooter that you have an option for pedaling. The acceleration feels a lot like a gas-powered something. It's not something that makes you think bike once you get on it. It's something that makes you think scooter. So if you're in town and you're just wanting to get somewhere super fast, it has those nice fat tires. It's easy to maneuver. It's fast.